What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Smitty's. If you've never caught an episode, we do truck instructional videos, travel inspiration videos, and other things. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and watch a few more of my videos. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of our squad. Squad. But first things first, I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm gonna get my workout on, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and I'm gonna go get some food from Walmart, cook it in the parking lot, and then as soon as I'm ready, I'm gonna head over to Toyota. So stick around, it's gonna be a fun one. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm about to start my nightly routine, which is going to the gym. So let me grab my bag. I gotta get rid of my man boobies. Grab my bag and just going in. Gotta love the face masks. Cool down. Job well done. About to make me some chicken dinner. Or winner, chicken dinner, whatever. The need to put your eggs in the fridge, okay? You know where eggs come from? Do you know where they come from? Do you know where they come from? They come from outside, in the chicken coop. Damn, I got another one in there. I'm a newbie. There's like 3 pieces of egg shell inside my egg. I ain't gonna lie to you, like, it's fun getting looks when people look at me. Like, what is this guy doing? Oh my God, he lives in that thing. Oh man, he's making food out of that thing. If you have the opportunity and if you want a change, I'd advise you just to try this. You don't have to go all elegant like actually this isn't even elegant. You don't have to go all fancy like most people. You can just do something simple like mine, or you can go a little even simpler, just flatten the floor so you can lay down in it. And then go somewhere. My nightly routine is about the same as your nightly routine. Just yours is done in a house. Mine's done on the side of the road. But the good thing about mine is I'm not paying rent. My only bills is gas, food, insurance. Gas, food, insurance, and my car payment. And my last 4Runner I owned outright, so that money was mine too, but I went ahead and got my white one that I really wanted. Ended up a little high. Not gonna lie to you. I was talking. Even if I was a millionaire, I would still do this. I really enjoy it. There's nothing like being able to travel wherever you want. There's always I know you're not locked down, but you're kind of locked down. I forgot I got to eat out of something. I lost my plate. I don't know where it went. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. All right, I'm on my way to Toyota. I'm a little nervous because I really hope no police come knocking, or the owner of the dealership comes knocking, or I get in trouble for any reason. I'm hoping for, fingers crossed, that I make it through the night with no problems. Yeah, I'll show you around when I get there, so I can show you my current situation, and I can show you where I parked. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. Stick around. All right, so I wanted to give y'all another quick update. I'm like 5 minutes away from Toyota. I do not have window coverings. I do have 20% tint. So hopefully no one's coming to look at Toyota 4Runners because I might get seen. I really hope I don't. I didn't think this far ahead, so we'll see. Ooh. Cop just sped by me. See my place of rest tonight. Alright, so typically what I do when I find a new place to sleep is I kind of scout the area a little bit. So I drive around the building, I park. It's a lot of lighting out here. Hopefully I get some good sleep. Got the pre-owns all the way on the right. There's only one 4Runner out here. Crap. So he's gonna have two. Oh, they spread them out one apiece. You see how they parked? One space in between each car. Oh, it'd be so cool if I can get one of the year stickers. I don't know, maybe park back here. Looks safer back here. Look at that spot over there. It's all dark, cozy. But the thing about this spot is I'd probably get caught over here before I got caught over there. Because your employees park over here. Alright, so I just got the Toyota. As you can see, right there. I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna get out real quick and walk around and show you what I look like. It's probably not the best idea for me to do that, but oh well. All right, so here's the main entrance right behind me, right there. There's the front of the building, and you can see my car all the way at the end. I'm not really blending in. All right, so I'm about to do my nightly routine. So basically closing up shop. I don't really use this for sunlight. I use it for privacy. Put the vent visors down, cover some more light, and also open up this sunglass holder so it'll cover some of the light if stuff didn't fall out of there. After I close up the blinds, brush my teeth. Here's my little spit cup so I don't have to open the door or roll down the window. When I'm in stealth mode, I try not to make noise. I try not to turn on any lights. Try to be as inconspicuous as possible. I'm actually thinking about going out there and taking my tag off. Going one step above. Going one step above. The only thing bad about this spot and this Toyota is it opens at 7. I'm not a morning person, like, at all. Let's go ahead and crawl in the back, get ready for bed, and watch a little YouTube. Oh, there was a car that just drove by. I don't know if it's still out there. No, I think it's gone. And as you can see, I'm still right outside of Toyota. I'm trying to set an alarm so I'm not here when they get here. And I like to snooze, so
I've always set a second one for when I absolutely have to wake up. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but I have to. This is my snooze one, so I'll probably snooze like 2 times or 3 times. And that's the one I'm like, oh shit, I gotta wake up.
But it's like 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to go to sleep. I don't know how much sleep I'm gonna get. But see y'all in the morning. There's a car right there. He got out and tried to open my door. It scared the crap out of me because all I heard was ka-doom, ka-doom. And he pulled my door handle. Oh man, I'm trying to go back to sleep now.
Morning, everyone. I think I'm gonna call this a success. As you can see, I'm still here at Toyota. I only had like 4 people come look at my vehicle. One actually try and get in the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the front seat so I can move. It's like 6:40. No, 6:30. Let me look. There is a car sitting over there that wasn't there last night. Look, that car wasn't sitting there last night. It's the only bad thing sometimes is the fog. Alright, there's another car that just pulled in.
My main piece of advice, wherever you do sleep, if you do decide to live in your vehicle or live in your van, or my main piece of advice is when you wake up, don't do your morning business where you work. If you're somewhere where you know you probably shouldn't be, move, and then go ahead and brush your teeth or make breakfast or whatever. The Toyota dealership is literally like right there, but I got away from there, and now I'm gonna do my business over here. Now I need to clean up. All right, now I'm gonna run to Hardee's because I'm lazy and grab myself some breakfast. That's where I slept last night. All right, there's Hardee's, but I'm having a sudden craving. Or should I go to Taco Bell? Hardee's, Taco Bell.
Our store is closed. Please visit us again.
Of course.
Our store is closed.
Of course, they're closed.
Please visit us again.
I guess Hardee's it is.
Our
Now that I got my food, I'm gonna go ahead and head over to my job, eat, and then go shave, and then change, and then be ready for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you want to become part of our squad. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.